Hi, if we haven't met, I'm Jill. Thank you so much for joining me today. In this movement flow, we will use the foam roller and we will be moving for about 15 minutes. So go ahead and grab your roller and I'll see you in just a few seconds for a fun flow. Hi, thanks for joining me, and we're going to start on the ground today. So grab your roller and come to a comfortable grounded position, maybe kneeling. I prefer kneeling. And we're going to start with some arm movement. So feeling the width of your roller, just bring it forward a little bit in front of you. You don't have to bring it very high. Just bring it up, and you're going to start with a gentle squeeze and release. And squeeze and release. And again, gentle squeeze, just waking up deep inside, and release, and squeeze, and release. And one more time here, squeeze, and let it go. Then I'm gonna hold the roller with just my fingertips, and I'm just gonna bring it up till I feel a bit of a catch, till it feels like the motion stops, and then bring it down. It might not be very high to begin with. Bring it up, and down. So just let your body decide where you're at instead of your brain jumping ahead and thinking about it. And come back down and float those arms up and take them down. And again, we have floating up. Hold wherever your high point is, and you're just gonna swivel that roller a little bit. And keep that motion going. Good. Notice where you're feeling tight, snaggly, and rest. And then we're going to take it into a bit of a circular row. See if you can keep the roller even or horizontal the whole time. So now it's not tipping. We tipped it before, and now we're not tipping it at all. And let's reverse that circle. Good, scooping through the space, allowing your breath to calm down and settle. And rest. Good, just take the roller down to the side and place both hands on the roller, and you're just gonna gently rock forward and then come back up. So the goal is to maintain contact with the roller, and that will kind of dictate your range of motion. So don't ever force anything, just allow your connection to the roller to keep you honest about moving with clarity. And take it forward so you're hinging at the hips, and then restacking your spine. You may or may not come all the way tall, depending on where you're at in your body today. I'm feeling kind of stiff this morning from some increased activity that's trying to clear out some cobwebs in my body right now. And come down and back up, and let's switch sides. Take it over to the other side. So it's kind of on a diagonal, definitely having a sense that the roller is in front of me, so I'm not reaching way around to the back. And roll it out. And bring it back up. Good, and roll it out. And bring it back up. And take it down. And return. And one more here, take it down. It has a bit of an undulating quality to it. And rest. Good, so let's take just a little bit of a repeat from the first foam rolling class with our nose circles. Come down to the ground, side lying, and get your self-organized so this side of your head is on the roller. And here we go, some small circles for 1, 2, 3, and reverse for 3. 1, 2, 3, and rest. We're going to roll over to the other side and just repeat that same little bit of a neck roll for 3, 2, 1, and reverse it for 3, 2, 1, and rest. Push yourself up, and we're going to roll over onto our back, always maintaining awareness of where you and your roller are at in space. So just go ahead and come down nice and easy. And then you're going to put your feet on the roller. And just take a moment to find your dome feet, so those bird on a perch feet. And take your hands wherever is comfortable for you. Today it feels right to me to have that pressure of my hands against each other to find my center. And you're just going to maintain that dome foot as you send the roller out and bring it back towards your sitting bones, keeping your feet in the same shape. Send the roller out and bring it back in. Good. Sending it out, staying heavy in your torso, sensing some support on the front side of your spine. So you don't have to grip your abdominals. The support is actually deeper than that. It's on the front inside of your spine. And sending the roller out and bring it back. Good, and rest. And now we're going to vary that same pattern a little bit. So your knees are going to fall open. Send the roller out. Find your kneecaps and toes to the ceiling so you're back in parallel, and then bring the roller in. Let everything fall open away from midline. Send the roller away. Kneecaps and toes to the ceiling. Draw the roller back. Fall open. Send everything away. Find parallel and draw it back. Hold. Let's reverse that pattern. So kneecaps and toes stay to the ceiling as you send everything out, and then fall open. Scoop everything back to midline. Good. Just smooth out the edges, making it all one movement flow. Taking it on your own time. And take 2 more. And last one here, and hold. Good. So bring the roller back towards you, and then you're going to place it under your pelvis. And just take a moment here to let your body organize in this new relationship to gravity. And then you're going to bring one knee up. Just float it up, soften the hip sockets, roll through the ball of the other foot, and see if you can bring that other leg up without gripping anywhere. So we're just going to play with some lower abdominal work for a little bit here. So the goal is to not grip anywhere, to stay like melted butter in your entire body as you move through the hips and lower body. So one toe is going to reach down. And you'll know where your range of motion is today because you'll feel grippy or tight once you've gone too far. So that kind of lets you know, and then back off from there. Just alternating sides. Toe dips down and then comes back. And other side dips down and comes back. Good. Dipping. And float it back up. And again, dipping. I have my feet kind of gently pointed. And then let's just take it into a dome foot for a few. Flex with elongated toes. Take it down and bring it back. And take it down and bring it back. Again, good. Take it down and up and down and up and rest. Good. Bring a leg over your other thigh, it doesn't matter which side, and then try and grab behind the back of your other thigh. So that's maybe a figure 4 stretch that you're familiar with, but we're just going to take it into a gentle rocking motion side to side, and allow that, if it wants to progress or grow from there, you can take it into a little bit of a circle. So I'm thinking of my kneecap that's towards the ceiling as the tip of the paintbrush, drawing the circle on the ceiling, and then reverse it for a few, staying heavy through your torso. Good. Abdominals are soft, and you're just sensing awareness deep inside your spine. And rest, and let's switch sides, ankle over thigh, and a little bit of some gentle rocking side to side. To begin with, I'm still in that dome foot. That dome foot can help you feel more connected into your center if you're struggling on any given day to find your center. And then take it into a little bit of a circle. That kneecap that's towards the ceiling is drawing the circles on the ceiling. And reverse the circles for 3, 2, 1, and rest. Draw one knee in towards your chest, and extend your other leg wherever it goes. So it doesn't have to match my height, just extend it in space in a place that feels right to you. And then you're going to sweep that leg down, fold the hip and knee in, and stretch it out. Scoop it down, fold in, and reach out. So it's like a bicycle pattern. Reach and draw in and extend, and let's reverse. So fold everything in, send everything out, and scoop that leg up. Again, fold and unfold and extend, and let's switch sides. Unfold your leg gently and send it away. Fold it in, unfold, and send that straight leg down. Good. Fold and unfold and sweep. Let's reverse it. Bring that straight leg up. Fold everything in. Send it out long and sweep it up. And last one here, extend and bring it up and rest. And then we're just going to circle both of our knees. So send one knee away, one knee towards you, open wider away from midline, circle back towards midline, and repeat. So it's kind of like a swiveling figure 8 pattern. If it doesn't make sense, you can just take a moment and watch it, and then we'll reverse it. And just come to a rest. Good. Lower one knee, lower the other knee, remove your roller, and just roll over. And that is it for that sequence today. So that's one of my favorite sequences. Not exactly, I always have a bit of play. It's not like I repeat the same thing on any given morning, but that's one of my favorite sequences with bits and pieces that I'll do in the morning or when I'm sore, when I'm really sore and just having a hard time getting my body to organize, maybe after a more intense workout or something. So I hope you liked it. If you have any questions or comments for me, you can of course leave them below. And that cute little green tree in the bottom corner of these videos is the best way and easiest way to subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much for joining me. I will see you again next week. Bye for now.